Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 10th of February 2024 and I'm going to be going over the results of the week 7 testing of SPX for predictions based on the option chain analysis. Now this week was good for us because the prediction was made on the 4th of February for the week ending 9th, and SPX started at 4,957.19 and the prediction that it goes up, and it ended at 5,026.62, which gave us a profit of $69.43, and in percent, that's 1.40%. That brings our cumulative P&L to 0.90% positive. And SPX's weekly change was 1.37%, and the cumulative return for SPX is 5.62%, which brings down our alpha slightly to it brings up our alpha to minus 4.72%. Now, this is just a small recap of week 7's prediction, but that's all for now. Thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.